Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. As always, I'm back with a new update for Aimogen, which is actually currently discounted 40% off for this week. So go ahead guys and check it, link in this video's description. So the current update for Aimogen will bring you a new feature which will enable response streaming for AI forms. So you heard this right, because this is a popular request. I added this feature to AI forms. Now they will be able to use response streaming, and let me show you this in action. So until now the AI forms were working like the user entered the question and the response appeared after a long time after the AI processed the response. But now let me show you how response streaming will shorten the wait times of users. So let's use this little form here, question and answer form. It is the question and answer form which I created, and hit submit. And after a very short processing time, the AI will generate the response on the fly, and the form will be populated with the response. And if we ask any question, what is the capital city of Germany? Give an example landmark from it. So the capital of Germany, Berlin, Brandenburg Gate. Okay, so this will be response streaming. You will be able to enable response streaming by editing your form. So go to AI shortcodes and forms, list AI forms, and here you will be able to click edit on the form that you are wanting to set for streaming, and here the response streaming new settings will be shown, and here you can set it to enable. I already enabled it for the QA form that I created, so let's disable it. And now let's check the difference. So count to 100. Let's check wait time. So in this case wait times will be longer because we just disabled streaming of responses, so you will see very long wait times and the answer is shown afterwards. So I recommend that you enable streaming for your forms because it will bring the illusion of faster processing times, because the response will be shown to users as they are generated on the fly. Okay, so this will work also if you add a new form. So if we click add a new AI form, we will have the response streaming set to enable by default. And note that this will not work with any model, so this will require a newer model to work. So I recommend that you use GPT 3.5 Turbo or later for this to work. The instruct model does not have streaming at the moment. OpenAI does not support this. Also other models from Google, from Anthropic, from Perplexity AI, from OpenRouter, all will support streaming, so you will be able to use streaming with any other models excepting the instruct one from OpenAI and also these custom trained models. Okay, so basically you can check this in the latest update of the plugin. Let me know if you have more suggestions, ideas. Any update idea is welcome. Let me know them in the comments of this video. Also check Aimogen. As I mentioned, it is discounted by 40% for a short period of time. It is linked in this video's description. Thank you for watching until the end. Like, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated. Helps me go forward. Until next time, bye bye.